All right. So we're gonna pull a card at the same time and ask the same question to see
Right.
what comes out. Like we used to do in the Brotherhood's witch chat with Yajani, right? When we would all pull the same card and there was sequential cards that were the same.
Right.
Let's do this thing. And the question is, are we on the right path
Yes.
or on the right track?
Are we on the right path?
Are we on the right path? Okay. Okay. What'd you get?
Two of Cups.
Wait a minute.
Ace of Cups. Huh. 1, 2.
Uno, dos.
Yeah.
Both cups.
So it's cups. All right. So late in his book, this is the thing, right? So my memory is absolutely garbage. But it keeps me on track there, right? It keeps me reliant on the reading of the book to maintain true to origin, right? So the waters are beneath there and thereon are water lilies. The hand issues from a cloud, holding in its palm the cup from which 4 streams are pouring. A dove bearing in its bill a cross-marked host descends to the place, the wafer in the cup. The dew of water is falling on all sides. It is an intimation of that which may lie behind the lesser arcana. The house of the true heart, joy, content, abode, nourishment, abundance, fertility. The holy table, felicity thereof.
Whoa. What did you just say?
Felicity?
Read that last line again.
The abundance, fertility, the holy table, felicity hereof.
That's all I needed to hear. My daughter's name was Felicity. The one that took her life.
Holy mother. Okay. Ooh, hi.
All right, and so the Two of Cups.
Yeah, but this is some fucked up shit, Mike.
No, this is magic, my friend.
No, the card that fell out afterwards.
What is it?
That same card you pulled when you did that exorcism. The shadow figure holding the cups.
Ah,
She took her life.
yes. Interesting.
Mhm.
Oh, I just got goosebumps.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stop the video.